All right, we're watching Reject Your Date with one press of a button.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Let's fucking get it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it didn't turn red yet.
No, I'm so sorry.
Dude, it didn't even turn red and she already rejected him? Holy
I'm so
fuck,
sorry.
that's tough.
Welcome to The Button,
Like,
a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of
Okay.
here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they
Right.
win an all expenses paid second date.
nice.
This
W.
is the button.
Hi. How are you?
Doing pretty well.
You two have similar vibes,
Do we?
My
what's
God,
this
what is that
vibe?
voice?
Yeah, what's a similar vibe?
like aesthetic.
Okay.
Okay.
Do they both have long hair? Is that
Do
why?
you find each other attractive?
Oh, you're waiting for me to go first.
Damn. Savage.
Yeah, I don't
Yikes.
really like guys with long hair. Hi. Hello, I'm Nicole.
Nicole, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Ryan was in the army.
Oh,
You're in the
W. Actual W. He was in the army. Let's go.
army.
I was in the
And his-
army,
and his name's
2012
Ryan.
to 2016. Oh, no worries.
Why did
Is that a disrespect to the military? What the
You
fuck,
passed me.
bitch? You didn't get to talk to him.
I don't know, man. Something about army guys.
why do you hate our troops?
That's ridiculous.
I don't. They're just very like, I don't know, overly masculine.
W.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
Nicole, Omari.
Cool. So, what do you do for fun?
What do I do for fun? Video games, mostly.
Video games.
Nice. Okay.
Games.
The big. So the last one I played. Got me. All right.
Why did you
This bitch is tough as shit, dude.
reject him?
Because there's
They're not even lasting like 30 seconds with
more to
her.
life than video games.
I like
But there is not, though.
video games.
Hi. Is it your mission to get me out? Is everyone like angry?
Well, I don't know about that. I've heard about you though.
What have they said? Oh, I knew.
Got your bitch ass out of here. Fuck out of here.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't take it personally.
Please be gentle with me.
I will do my best. I tend to not pay attention to how hard I can go sometimes. Just
Is that a sex thing?
I mean,
The voice. Dude, the voice is ridiculous.
sometimes.
Okay, Travis.
Travis a
How's it
beast,
going?
dude.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. I'm not really a morning person. By this time, I usually have had like 2 Red Bulls or something like that.
Oh, okay. What do you do?
I
She's like, I could give a shit.
tried to get a. Okay.
Yeah, get out of here, buddy.
Why
Get
did
outta here.
you press me?
Because he's not my type.
Next date, please.
Just keep it out the low.
Hi.
My name's Taylor.
Yep. Yep. This is where I leave. Gotta go. It's been fun, y'all. It's been nice. It's been a fun video. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.